Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to turn a towel into a pillow easily, and this will be a super easy tutorial. So let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. You can basically take any towel that is big enough and turn it into a decent pillow. This is a towel right here, and this is basically the pillow that I've created with the towel. I'm going to show you and tell you exactly how I did this, okay? So this right here, it's not super thick, but this towel isn't that big to begin with. It's like I would call it like a medium-sized towel. This is one of the towels for one of my kids. I have 4 kids, so we have lots of towels between the bath towels, the beach towels, and on our towels, myself and my wife as adults, we have towels too. We have tons of towels. So this is one of my kids' towels, okay, for one thing or another. Okay, I don't know if it's I think it's a bath towel, I believe, but anyways, I think that's what we use it for. Yeah, as far as I'm concerned, this is the bath towel that we use. Actually, now that I look at it, it's designed for the beach, but I do know we use this for the bath because I am the bath giver in the house. I'm the bath/shower person in the house with regards to parental duties. So this is indeed one of the bath towels for my kids now that I look at it, okay? Looks similar to other towels, but this is a bath towel. Anyways, it's not too big. It's a medium-sized towel. It is, as I said, I know for a fact, one of my kids' bath towels, okay? And I'm going to show you how I turned it into a pillow like this. And this is a great pillow. You can use it, put it under your head. You can use it to rest. And if you want, you can even stack 2 of these together to make it even thicker. But you want it to be basically this size over here, which is about the size that is slightly bigger than your head. As you can see, it's slightly bigger than my head. That's the size that you want. So I'm going to show you how I created this. Very, very simple. I'm going to unfold it. So we're going to start off with a big open towel, which I said this is one of my kids' bath towels, okay? I was looking at it, confused myself at the beginning, but then now that I saw it and I was like, no, I know what it is. Anyways, this, as you can see, it's really open. It's kind of hard to gauge, but it's not that big, okay? This is the size of it. Like, it's shorter than my arm span. It's not even as wide as my arm span, okay? My arms are not fully stretched out, but the towel is stretched out. So anyways, it's not that big. It's like a medium-sized towel, give or take. And this is the height of it, okay? So anyways, we're gonna take it and we're gonna take it widthwise, so as wide as it can go, we're gonna fold it in half. So from as wide as it can go, we're gonna fold it in half. Okay, so I brought the ends together. We've now folded it in half. And it is now this wide, okay? So we fold it in half from it being as wide as it can go. Now at this point, I'm gonna turn it sideways, and we're gonna go the other side now, okay? And now that I've turned it sideways, we're gonna fold it in half again, okay? Now, as you can see, this is, in my opinion, one of the dimensions that I wanna keep. So, meaning, I'm only gonna fold it the other way. This other way over here is too long. It's too long. I don't need it to be this long for this dimension, but this dimension is good. So when you see that you have a good dimension, all you got to do is fold it the other way, right? As many times as you need to. So now the other way, I'm going to turn it sideways again. We're going to go the other way now. This is the dimension that's too big. You can either fold this in half or even in thirds. I can fold it in thirds as well. That will work. But for myself, I'm going to fold it in half, okay? And what I have now is my pillow that I've created that I can use to relax. Very, very simple. I'm going to show you one last time in a faster mode. So I'm going to open it up all the way. We now have the towel that is completely open, okay? I have the widest, I have the full width over here. This is basically, I'm holding it as wide as it can go, okay? So I have it opened up fully, okay? And I've grabbed one of the sides, essentially. Think about it like that. So we're gonna go through a faster tutorial. I have it opened up fully, and this is the last time I'll show you, I promise. So pay attention. And we're gonna go a little bit faster, okay? Anyways, so to show you for the last time, I have it opened up fully, okay? And I'm holding one of the sides. I'm gonna take that side that I'm holding, I'm gonna fold it in half, just like that. Okay, now I'm going to turn it sideways, so we're rotating it. Okay, I'm going to take this new side that I'm holding, fold it in half. No problem. And now I'm going to rotate it again, turn it sideways. And with the newly held side, I'm going to fold it in half again. That's it. And now I have my finalized version of my pillow, and I've turned my towel into a pillow. So I can sleep. I'm just kidding. Anyways, if your towel is bigger, you might end up with something that's thicker, or if it's just this size, you can do 2 towels stacked on top of each other, right? 2 towels stacked, and you can get like a double thickness of this, so it can be thicker than this. But even this would be decently comfortable. I could probably take a a quick 30 with this, you know, a quick half an hour nap. I could for sure squeeze a quick half an hour nap in with this. As I said, I have 4 young kids, so, you know, I can always, I could literally, like right now, I could just fall asleep if I wanted to, right? We're always busy, and I love it. I wouldn't have it any other way. I'm so happy. I know we're always busy, but like if the opportunity arises where I can take a nice quick nap, you know, I could fall asleep like that if I wanted to. Yeah, I'm really good with falling asleep. I'm also really good at staying awake, so I can stay awake as much as I need to, but I could also fall asleep if I needed to. Just like that. Anyways, that's enough about me. I've told you and shown you exactly how to turn a towel into a pillow. Super, super easy instructions. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. I've got nothing else to say and nothing else to show you. So with nothing else, other than me hoping that you've enjoyed the video, with nothing else, we are going to roll the outro. So without further ado, here is the outro for this video. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.